Today, let's make some delicious braised tofu. Remember to learn it another super simple and easy to make tasty home-cooked dish.
This delicious vegetarian dish is appetizing and pairs perfectly with rice. Plus, it's packed with soy protein and loaded with nutrients, truly tasty and wholesome. The ingredients are simple, just dried tofu, celery leaves, or cilantro, and carrots. Of course, the star ingredient is finally here, olive vegetable. With it, you don't need to be a skilled cook to make something delicious. Cut the dried tofu into small cubes and set aside for later use. Peel and dice the carrots. This is mainly for color, but you can also add corn kernels if you prefer. Of course, carrots are highly nutritious, so this way you get a more balanced variety of nutrients. Chop the celery leaves and set aside. If you prefer cilantro or green onions, feel free to use those instead. Just go with what you like. All ingredients are ready. Heat the pan with oil, add a teaspoon of salt to the oil, then pour in the dried tofu and fry until golden brown. After the tofu is fragrant, add the diced carrots along with a tablespoon of olive vegetable and stir-fry until the aroma is released. Olive vegetable is rich in nutrients and dietary fiber. It is considered a healthy fermented ingredient. Including it in meals can enhance flavor without compromising on health benefits. Pour in a cup of water and continue simmering to let the flavors meld. Season with salt, sugar, and mushroom powder according to personal taste. Feel free to skip the mushroom powder if you don't like it. Finally, add the chopped celery leaves or cilantro. Stir-fry briefly, and then it's ready to be plated and enjoyed. Leave a few celery leaves for garnish. They make the dish look so appetizing. Braised tofu with olive vegetable has a savory and rich aroma, blending salty and umami flavors. The tofu fully absorbs the distinct taste of the olive vegetable, becoming tender and flavorful. With just one spoonful, it fills your mouth with the warmth and satisfaction of a homemade dish. Olive vegetable carries a unique fermented saltiness with a rich aroma. Its flavor is deep and complex, blending savory, umami, and a subtle tartness. A little goes a long way in enhancing dishes with its distinctive and appetizing taste. Olive vegetable is rich in dietary fiber and trace elements, which helps promote gut health. Its fermentation process generates beneficial probiotics, enhancing both the flavor and nutritional value of food. Consumed in moderation, it can stimulate appetite and aid digestion, adding a natural savory richness to home-cooked dishes. Dried tofu is a great source of high-quality plant-based protein. Eating it is like giving your body a nutrient boost, and it's low in calories, making it especially friendly for weight management. It's also rich in calcium and iron, which help keep our bones and blood healthier. Best of all, it absorbs flavors incredibly well. Just a simple cook makes it delicious. Truly the flavor champion of home-cooked dishes. Olive vegetable and dry tofu are a perfect match. The savory richness of the olive vegetable blends perfectly with the bean fragrance of the tofu. Doubling the aroma when braised together, the tofu soaks up the distinct fermented flavor of the olive vegetable, becoming tender and juicy, delivering deep satisfaction with every bite. This dish is simple, pairs wonderfully with rice, and even kitchen beginners can easily recreate the comforting taste of home. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.